The cheapest unlocked Samsung Galaxy S10 SIM-free prices in April 2019. All of the leaks and rumors have finally culminated with the official launch of Samsung's newest devices, and we couldn't be more excited. Finally getting our hands on the Galaxy S10 and seeing its infinite display screens and, thank God, headphone jacks has made us truly look forward to this year of Samsung. But beyond all the glitz and glamour the hardware has shown, the real question is how much this device will be costing you SIM-free. Samsung has released two different storage sizes when it comes to the regular unlocked Galaxy S10. For the small, Apple Music may soon get Chromecast support in Android app. When it comes to streaming services and smart home compatibility, there's no doubt going to be conflicts between the major players and their respective products, but the latest rumors suggest that gap could be closing. Investigations into the code for Apple Music's Android app conducted by 9 to 5 Google have found several specific mentions of Chromecast support for Apple's music streaming service. While this isn't a guarantee it'll come soon, or indeed at all, it's the best indication of compatibility we've had yet. Naturally, with both Google and Apple having their own competing music streaming services and smart home platforms, this kind of compatibility doesn't come easily for either tech giant. Apple HomePod holds just 4% of the smart speaker market. Apple Music hits 50 million subscribers. Apple Music is rolling out to even more Echo and Fire TV devices. If we do see the Android version of Apple Music become available to stream via Chromecast, this would likely allow phones to cast music from Apple's platform to Google Home devices, Android TVs and other Chromecast-connected tech, although this is just a matter of speculation at this point. While Apple launched its music service for Android back in 2015, the Google-made operating system hasn't been high on its priority list, and it has, only in recent months, added some basic functionality, such as tablet support. Thankfully, this has resulted in a string of compatibility updates, such as support for Amazon's Echo range of speakers in the US, as well as a wider rollout to other Amazon smart devices. Apple Music Review. Are of the two sizes, 128 GB, the price is $899/£799. Now that is no small price, but if you want to go even bigger on storage, Samsung is also offering a whopping 512 GB device for a slightly staggering $1149/.